How to access Dropbox login. So basically, if you want to log into Dropbox, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all go to dropbox.com, or you can open the Dropbox application on your mobile phone. Once you've done that, if you don't have an account, by the way, you can tap on the sign up button from the bottom left in this blue color to be able to sign up for your account. Or what you can do is you can simply go ahead and tap on the login option right here. Once you tap the login option, you want to simply make sure to tap on the email option, and then just make sure to enter the email associated with your account. Tap on the continue option and go ahead and then also make sure to enter your password. Now if you forgot your password, you can tap on having trouble logging in and then try to reset your password. If your account is linked with your Google account, you can also directly log in with your Google account if you wish to do so. Either way, this is the way on how you can access Dropbox and log into Dropbox. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.